Good morning, Boise foot trekking. We're gonna see a few ducks that are still taking a nap today. So let's hit it. This morning's video is gonna have to be a little short. Here's some of our friends right here. Oh, sorry, I think I just woke them up. Yeah, they're still a little tired. Whoa. Look how big these babies got. Watch out, Mommy. I'm just walking by. I'm not hurting them at all. Wow, look how much they've grown since yesterday. That one still has a little bit of fuzz left. And he's always standing in the back. Kind of funny how that works. Here's our beautiful tree. Yeah, we're pretty early. The sun has not even broken over the Rockies yet. Ooh, here's a mommy all excited. I love this particular half an hour of the day when you walk outside and it is extremely dark. A few minutes later, a little lighter. Here's another duck. A few minutes more, a little lighter. And then before you know it, it's daytime. Ooh, these guys are all still asleep. Sorry guys, I'll be moving on. That is some nice duckies. Oh, this guy's still night-night. Now here in another month, the wildlife right here is going to be a little different. Up in the mountains also. So we'll try to catch all of that as it occurs. I was looking at some of my notes and photography yesterday, and boy, just 6 months ago right here, I was walking in 80 inches of snow and high winds. So you just kind of never know around here. That tree looks kind of spooky today. Sometimes we get it when it's bright sunshine. Today it's got a little broken light on it. Boy, that is a great shot. Uh-oh.